Welcome to Mylaw.ng, where you can access legal services from the comfort of any device.
After signing up, log in with your username and password. Now you can access our range of services.
Once you have created your account, you will be automatically signed in. At the welcome page, you can see your dashboard. For agreement, for consultation, you can either chat with a lawyer or call a lawyer. For registration, you can register your business, your company, your patent, your trademark, your copyright, your incorporated trustee or NGO, or you can procure your tax identification number. For the other services we offer on the platform, you can click Other Services to access our range of services. For agreements, you could click the agreement modal and you click Create Agreement. You select the agreement of your choice and start. For consultations, you can either chat with a lawyer or call a lawyer. Simply create appointment. You pick a date. You could enter the notes for the lawyer. You attach files and select the number of minutes. Then click Book Appointment. For registrations, you can access our range of registrations by creating a ticket. You could name the ticket what you want. You select the type of registration you want. If you are not sure, you just click Others and our lawyer will get in touch with you. Manage your accounts. You can choose your subscription. You can access our wide range of subscriptions, which we offer at a very affordable rates. You can access our range of subscriptions, which we offer at very affordable rates. You can also access our startup bundles, which we offer for SMEs at very affordable rates. You can also access our help and FAQ section, where we answer frequently asked questions, terms of use and privacy policy.